guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Sony Pictures Home Entertainment to promote the new movie The Shallows starring Blake Lively. And I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to be showing you how to have the perfect movie night in with your friends or by yourself or with whoever. But either way, there's going to be movies and it's going to be perfect. Anyway, before getting on with the movie night, a little bit about The Shallows. So obviously it is starring Blake Lively as the character Nancy, and while out surfing on a secluded beach, she basically gets stranded out in the ocean in a great white shark's feeding ground. So it's kind of like a modern day Jaws, I would say. I actually have never seen Jaws. So this is basically like Jaws to me because I'm telling you, after watching this movie, I had no problem with the ocean. I feel like I'm going to be slightly worried anytime I go in the ocean now. Because this is like a real thing. There are actually sharks there. And if you're bleeding, they're going to want to eat you. So don't go and start bleeding in the ocean. That is the lesson that I have learned from this movie. Actually, my movie night, which you're about to see, took place last night. So I had friends over, none of us had seen the movie. There was a lot of like, throughout the entire movie. It's just non-stop thriller. And my favorite part about it is that she just did not give up, because if I was in that situation, I'd just be like, shark, eat me, put me out of my misery. I'm terrified. I do not want to feel this way anymore. Like, I'm done. I give up. Just I will be your food. Leave in the comments, what would you do if you were stranded in the ocean and a shark was trying to eat you? Would you fight or would you just like sacrifice yourself? That's a little dark, but I want to know. So yeah, if you have yet to see The Shallows, it's going to be out on digital DVD and Blu-ray starting at $14.99. It's currently available on Apple and Amazon Video, but it will be available on Blu-ray on September 27th, so go check it out. But enough talking, on with the fun. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe on the screen or down below and you'll be updated when I post new videos weekly. Also make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Now on with the perfect movie night in.
So the perfect movie night in consists of good friends, good food, good drinks, good mood, and of course, the right movie. So step one is to pick your movie. Tonight we're watching The Shallows, so we're gonna try and center everything else around the theme of that. So let's get started with putting our night together. Of course, what would movie night be without popcorn? So I'm gonna show you my quick and easy, no butter popcorn recipe that you can make on your next movie night. To start off, just add several tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan over medium-high heat. The trick is to add 3 kernels of popcorn, and once one of them pops, you know that that's the perfect temperature to add the rest of the popcorn, which I am adding 1/4 of a cup. Then you just quickly move the pan back and forth over the heat until the popcorn is all popped. Now you just transfer to a bowl and add some more melted coconut oil, some pink Himalayan sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, some Parmesan cheese, and then you just shake it up to combine. Then I just like to top it off with some more Parmesan, and voila! Perfect homemade popcorn. Next, we need some beverages, so Shark Bite inspired drinks it is. I just made up this recipe so it's not too fancy, but it's definitely fun. I'm just filling up these little fish bowls with ice and then covering the ice with water. Now I'm just adding this blue lemonade water flavoring to represent the ocean, and it tastes really good and the flavor is strong, so try not to go overboard. Alcohol is optional, but if you want, add some unflavored vodka, give it a good stir, and then add a splash of grenadine to represent the blood. Lastly, toss in a gummy fish and you are ready to go. This is the perfect fun drink to go with this movie. Next, we need some food. And of course you can go all out and make food, but I thought ordering sushi went perfectly with this shark/ocean themed movie. And I am also obsessed with sushi, so that was a plus for me. And then on top of that, Kayla was kind enough to make waffle press cinnamon rolls for dessert, which are delicious. Once you have all of your food and drinks ready, you can dig in and start the fun. Chloe was not impressed and just wanted to get on with the movie, so on with it, and the last step is to set the mood with some nice lighting. Now on with the movie.
On YouTube and anyone can see me, and I want more people to see me because for it to be a career, the more people the better. But I do happen to have social anxiety, and yeah, it's not the end of the world. A lot of people deal with that. It's a lot easier for me to talk to a camera than it is to a person.